Did you invest your own money into FTX or just get paid? Are you still conflating money you got paid by FTX that you lost, or did you actually invest some of your own funds?
Money's fungible. Money's fungible. I have many other advisors.
So once again, you're a venture investor because you ventured your name and reputation.
If the answer is yes, I lost money. I had $10 million plus sitting in there, swept. It's gone. There's $10 million gone.
That you got paid by FTX
Well, it's not that simple because I had to pay the tax man too. Think about that.
Did you get that money too from what's it called? Gross up. Was it a gross up?
Top up. Gross up. Yes, part of it was the gross up.
So you didn't even pay your own money on the taxes. That was also from
I know this is really upsetting you, but I don't set
it just upsets me when you try to dodge around the essential point that you didn't put any of your own money in.
Look.
Shark Tank star Kevin O'Leary sparred with CNBC anchors over the $15 million he was given as a paid sponsor of now-bankrupt crypto exchange FTX. The CNBC anchors repeatedly asked O'Leary, a frequent commentator himself on the business network, why he considered himself a venture investor in FTX even as he was paid $15 million to sponsor the Sam Bankman-Fried-led crypto exchange FTX. This is America. The justice system provides the presumption of innocence unless proven otherwise. O'Leary responded when asked why he didn't more stridently condemn Bankman-Fried. The former FTX CEO was arrested by Bahamian authorities earlier this week, pending extradition and trial to face charges in U.S. federal court. O'Leary was pressed on his paid FTX ambassadorship, venture capital career, and his defense of Sam Bankman-Fried days before his arrest. O'Leary continued to return to his lost $10 million investment in FTX, which was given to him as part of his compensation for appearing as a paid spokesperson. Traditional venture investing typically involves a fund or individual investing their own funds in a business. When asked if he thought it was a fraud, Kevin replied saying he doesn't have the fact and new FTX CEO, John Ray, doesn't have them yet. He's going to get them. O'Leary responded, "I'm looking through my records. I'm willing to fund a forensic account of our accounts. There are a lot of bad things that have been alleged here, and a lot of them are going to be true, likely," he added. But at the same time, O'Leary said he wasn't inclined to indulge outraged investors on Twitter. Kevin O'Leary defended his position as a spokesperson for the collapsed crypto exchange FTX in an interview with CNBC Friday. He also commented on Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao, CZ, calling him a liar. Let us now get into the video and listen to Kevin defend his position and CNBC anchors going full out on him with questions regarding his alleged conspiration. As we go on, ensure to like the video, subscribe, and drop your comments.
This is just follow the money.
But Kevin, are you still calling yourself a venture investor when we're still talking about the fee that you got as a spokesperson? So your venture investing was your name being able to be used as a spokesperson? Is that how you're seeing yourself as an investor rather than just a paid?
Joe, bad news. I have a very large advisory business with governments and with companies and with.
No, I know, but in this case, with FTX.
And I can't change the past. I mean, yes, I was a paid spokesperson.
Did you invest your own money into FTX or just get paid? Are you still conflating money you got paid by FTX that you lost, or did you actually invest some of your own funds?
Money's fungible. Money's fungible. I have many other advisors.
So once again, you're a venture investor because you ventured your name and reputation.
If the answer is yes, I lost money. I had $10 million plus sitting in there, swept. It's gone. There's $10 million gone.
That you got paid by FTX
Well, it's not that simple because I had to pay the tax man too. Think about that.
Did you get that money too from what's it called? Gross up. Was it a gross up?
Top up. Gross up. Yes, part of it was the gross up.
So you didn't even pay your own money on the taxes. That was also from.
I know this is really upsetting you, but I don't set.
It just upsets me when you try to dodge around the essential point that you didn't put any of your own money in.
Look, I'm not dodging. You're not going to get me there. I totally disclosed every cent when I went in front of the Senate. And on top of that, I don't set my price, Joe. Let me get this point out. I don't set my price. The market does. They decide what they're going to pay me. All right? This is a capitalist society. If I'm not worth $15 million, I don't get paid $15 million.
Why do you call yourself a venture investor? Is it semantics? Why are you saying you're a venture investor when it was a fee that they paid you? And some would say ill-gotten gains because you were basically legitimizing a scammer who's going to likely be a scammer.
I insisted on becoming an investor. I said I'm not going to endorse this company unless I'm a shareholder. So I want access to that deal that you're doing. It's closed. They had to open up that round for me. I took some of the proceeds that I was paid and reinvested it in the company. I don't endorse companies unless I'm a shareholder. Most of the time I have to be. Otherwise, I'm not aligned with everybody else. And telling me I'm not a venture investor, I have 54 companies in my portfolio right now. I invested in all of them.
In this case, you're investing money that they paid you as a spokesperson. Fine, you're a venture
No,
investor.
I didn't have to invest in FTX. I didn't have to invest in FTX to become a paid spokesperson. That was not on the table until I insisted on it.
IRA allow you to save for retirement in a tax-advantaged way for greater financial security with lots of tax advantages. But most IRA offer the same boring stocks and bonds. Introducing iTrust Capital, the #1 crypto IRA platform in America. iTrust Capital allows cryptocurrency investors like you to enjoy all the exciting benefits of tax-advantaged retirement accounts. It combines the traditional IRA with the new, exciting world of cryptocurrencies. Why should you use iTrust Capital? It is the best crypto retirement platform in America, with some of the lowest fees of any cryptocurrency IRA platform. It gives investors adequate exposure to some of the top cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Solana, and Polkadot. You can buy and sell all your favorite crypto assets while enjoying amazing tax-free gains. It is adequately secured by Coinbase custody with a $320 million insurance to protect against theft. You can easily roll over an existing retirement account or begin a new one when you register on iTrust Capital. iTrust Capital is the trusted crypto IRA for many American investors who love the crypto industry. To join the millions of Americans who use the platform, please click on the link in the description box below.
Okay.
Kevin, we do appreciate engaging with you on this topic. You are a principal actor in this, what is now turning out to be a sad drama, but we look forward to talking to you again.
I love getting sandpapered by you guys every day. It's fantastic. Thank you.
If we don't do it, who will?
Talk to you later, Kevin. Thank you.
Following O'Leary's testimony before the Senate Banking Committee stating that he believes FTX failed because rival crypto exchange Binance intentionally put it out of business, Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao, CZ, called the Shark Tank star a liar. Before FTX collapsed, O'Leary almost secured $8 billion to save the crypto exchange from having to file for bankruptcy. He said that Bankman-Fried is one of the best traders in the crypto space, and he will back the FTX co-founder again if he has another venture. With rage coming from investors and mixed feelings from the higher-ups, everyone is so interested in the FTX debacle. Who is involved? Who is pulling the strings? All these are questions that are being asked, and we are sure that you do have those questions as well. You can make your suggestions or your opinions on the matter in the comment section. In the meantime, ensure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching.